Hello my friends, my name is Gabe and I am the founder of Cascadian Water. This is video 2 of a 3-part series where we cover DIY tips to save you time and money. In this video, we're going to be covering installation concerns and requirements so that you can know where your water treatment system is going to be installed. Before you get started, the first thing you need to do is to find your manual and to read it. There is one included with every one of your systems. It's pretty detailed, has pictures, and very helpful for you to get started and finished on the right foot. If you don't have a copy, there's a link in the description down below so that you can download it and take a look at it anytime that you want. After reading the manual and listening to this video, you're going to have a really good idea of the best place to install your water treatment system. Really, the best place to install it is so that all of the water in your home gets treated. Some people choose not to treat their irrigation, but you want to make sure you get both the cold and the hot water for inside the home. After watching this video and reading the manual, you will be able to figure the best location for your water treatment system. My suggestion is that you treat the water for the whole house. This includes your hot water tank and your outside spigots. A lot of people will choose not to treat their outside spigots because they're afraid or have learned that the salt softened water damages their lawns and their plants and their gardens and can kill them, and they're right. The next consideration is the noise. How much noise does the system make? Well, this is something I am particularly proud of. Our systems are 100% silent, zero noise. There is none. So if you've ever owned one of those salt-based water softeners and had to listen to them going on and off, water flowing, going to drain, all of the things that they do, pistons moving, clocks moving, they make a lot of noise. If you work from home or you don't want to deal with that, then a Cascadian water treatment system is for you. Okay, so after considering where to install your system, how much it weighs, how to mount it, and how much noise it makes, the last thing that you need to really think about is how much room do you need to access it, to be able to maintain it. So we're going to use this system for discovery right now. This is our largest whole home system, a double sump system. And let's do some measurements. You're going to want to install it at a height that's comfortable enough so you can work on it. And this one is fine. And it is 43 inches high to the top of the bracket. It has about 15 inches under it for a bucket, for a drain, so you gotta have that. And it is approximately, with all the plumbing and everything, I'm gonna say it's 30 inches wide. And that can change with the plumbing, whatever the configuration is for your installation. You will also need enough room above the system. Say your plumbing comes in the side. It doesn't have to look like this. This is not like the way to do it. It's just one of many ways, very flexible. But you're gonna need enough room on top, so if you're gonna put it, where there's a low ceiling or something, or in a cubby, in a closet, you're gonna need enough room above it to be able to put a screwdriver, to use a screwdriver to get to the air vent valve, because you gotta let air out when you want to drain it. You let air in and you let air out when you want to fill it. And to recover something that we talked about in the first video, these systems don't use any drains, so you don't have to be located near a drain. You don't have to be located near power. You don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. So they're very flexible on where they can be installed. This finishes up video 2 of our 3-video series on common DIY tips to save you time and money. In the next video, video 3, we're going to talk about ease of installation. Thank you and enjoy your water.